Welcome to this quick tutorial on using conditional filtering routes in Latenode. Today we're going to walk through a simple yet powerful scenario that demonstrates how to make decisions based on random data. Let's start with our trigger node. This is what kicks off our scenario when we hit the Run Once button. Think of it as the starting gun in a race. Next, we have our JavaScript node. This is where the magic happens. It generates a random number between 1 and 20. Imagine it as rolling a 20-sided die. Now, here's where it gets interesting. We have two possible paths our scenario can take, depending on the number we rolled. It's like standing at a fork in the road. If our number is greater than 10, we take the upper path. This leads to a Webhook Response node that says the value is greater than 10. But if our number is 10 or less, we take the lower path, leading to a different Webhook response that says the value is less than or equal to 10. The beauty of this setup is its flexibility. You could easily adapt this for real-world applications. Maybe you're running a promotion where customers get different discounts based on a random number generator. Or perhaps you're creating a simple game where different outcomes occur based on chance. The key takeaway here is how easily we can create branching logic in our scenarios. By using conditional filtering routes, we can make our workflows dynamic and responsive to data. Give it a try yourself. Experiment with different conditions or add more branches. The possibilities are endless. Happy automating!